So what's your secret sauce to go make the game so quickly, guys?
It's Tripo3D. I mean, it's just like magic. It helps us generate 3D models in seconds, fully rigged and textured. We scale like crazy.
Hey everyone, stop what you're doing. This just dropped in the AI 3D world and it's insane. Tripo Studio is here and it flips everything you thought you knew about design. Before, only pro designers had the power, but now you're the one in control. Let's dive into the new version of Tripo Studio and see how crazy it really gets. So what is Tripo? It's a fully AI-based generator that can turn your 2D image into a 3D model. Look how I was able to generate a popular Labubu toy model in just a few seconds. You might be wondering, how much effort does it take to create a totally unique brand new model? Well, with Tripo, it only takes a few words to go from concept to reality. Let me show you a quick demonstration. Just input something like a highly detailed, futuristic, and visually striking robot character with a sleek metallic body, large eyes, antennas, and mechanical joints in shades of silver, gold, and purple into the text-to-image model, and the image pops up almost instantly. Click Generate, and boom, your unique model is ready. But here's the cool part. This isn't just any model. It's a modular, futuristic mech design, and Tripo automatically breaks it down into segments. You can check them out in the Segmentation tab, where different colors represent different modules. Each module can be individually adjusted. Size, color, materials, you control every detail. And wait, there's more. Tripo can even auto-rig the model for animation simulations. Just click on rigging and watch as the animation comes to life right before your eyes. It's pretty mind-blowing. And just like that, the model is walking toward us. How awesome is that? Now, let's move on to something even more fun. Imagine transforming your own pet into a smart, futuristic version of itself, with different clothing textures. I'm using a photo of a bird, but you can choose a dog, a cat, or really any pet you like. In Image to 3D, just upload your photo, click Generate, and voila! Right now, it's just a blank white form. But don't worry, we're about to work some magic. First, click Retopology. Since our pet has a lot of fur, we need to reduce the poly count to make the clothing fit better. This step is super important. Next, click on Texture. Here you can upload your favorite style. Click Style Reference to upload a reference image. For example, if I want to try a cyberpunk look, I just upload a photo with a matching theme. How cool is that? And the best part, anytime you want to change the style, just go back to this interface, upload a new reference image, and boom, you've got a fresh new look. I think this is seriously fun. Okay, real quick, let's run through some pros and cons to keep it balanced. First, the pros, the workflow is incredibly fast because so many modeling tasks are handled natively inside Tripo Studio. You don't need to jump between tools like you would with Blender. Everything from modeling to texturing to rigging is streamlined in one place. The models look polished and production ready straight out of the box, and rigging is so effortless it feels almost magical. Now the cons, while the AI is fast, you might still need to wait a bit depending on the model's complexity or if you're rigging it. Still, it's way faster than traditional pipelines. And if you're new to 3D modeling, there might be a slight learning curve to get the most out of all the tools. But the platform is intuitive, and there's plenty of support to help you along the way. All in all, if you're into 3D modeling or even just curious about where creative AI is headed, you've got to check out Tripo Studio. It's seriously next level. I'll drop the link in the description and the pinned comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome AI tools and creative hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.